How do we do this? Do we just look straight in the camera? Or?
Yeah, we can look at each other and at the camera.
Okay.
So do you want to do an introduction? Do you want to be like...
That wasn't an introduction.
Alright.
What's on there?
My name's...
No, not on there. This is... Okay, I'm Lucas.
Oh.
This is Rico. This is... We're two sensitive dudes.
This is Spanish.
We're two sensitive dudes, and we just saw this movie. What's it play?
Look at that. I love sacrifice. Oh. So what'd you think of it?
How about you tell us what it's about, boss?
Well, it's about a woman named Harley being emancipated. That's what it says in the movie. Alright. From the Joker. And really, it's not even about that. It was about something totally different. Other women being emancipated.
So do you like comic books?
No.
I don't like reading comics at all.
I
First
know.
time I saw Harley Quinn, Riley Reed was playing them. I was confused. When we saw this movie, there was just a lot of violence.
I don't think I've seen that one. I haven't seen that one. I feel like I'm missing out.
Should look it up. So, this movie was annoying.
Yes,
Loud.
that's very annoying. It's like someone else being annoying.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta move my car.
Bad time. Okay, stop. I'll just sit here and...
Is the review over?
What?
Did you finish?
By myself.
You didn't finish the review?
No. Fuck, we started over.
Damn it, no, we keep going.
Okay.
We don't even edit this out.
I think we do.
I don't even know what you were doing.
Okay, so this movie was annoying.
This was. I mean, yeah, I had a headache afterwards.
Yeah.
What was that cover? There was a cover of a song randomly in there. It was not a good cover.
Hit me with your best shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good song.
Very slow.
Hit me with your
Best shot. Why don't you
hit me
with your best shot?
Okay.
Alright.
There was some scenes I liked. Like I liked the end battle was fun for a while. But it was not every dude in the universe was a dickhead.
Yeah.
Every dude.
Oh yeah, you know I didn't really pick up on that, but I
yeah,
understand.
there was
I
not
get
one.
that.
The one good dude was an Asian dude that he told him not to be a dick.
Yeah. Yeah, what the
It's
fuck?
like we finally got a good dude. Like the last like
Then he's
like 15 minutes in the movie, and then he was like, I forgot where I lived. This night.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
This movie was. Have you ever seen Deadpool?
no,
It was like a bunch of chicks that smoked Deadpool and then came up with this. There was some fun to have.
Well, I like Harley Quinn, like the character.
The little girl was really bad actress.
Yeah. Yeah. These people probably haven't even seen it.
The people
Fuck
watching
them.
this book, the 5
There's
people
probably
watching this.
maybe 10.
Well, maybe.
Come on.
What else should we talk about? The two dudes were cool. I like them. The two villains, they were dope.
Oh yeah.
The guys kept saying "you" to everything. I was like, that's my guy.
I forget his name.
Black.
No, it was
Black Mask.
Richard Simon.
Richard Simon. Yeah, Richard Simon was good.
All right.
So what do you rate this?
I
Out of 10, out of 5?
let's go out of 10.
Okay.
Okay. I would go with 4.5.
I was going 5.
I was kind of giving him a little bit of benefit of the credit, like of the doubt of the credit, of the credit doubts. No doubt.
Alright, so thanks for joining us
Just
for
like-
two sensitive dudes on
Yes.
a couch in a basement with a female behind us.